How's it going, guys? This is Paul Baker with Dennis Dillon GMC and Sawtooth USA out of Boise, Idaho. We're out here today with Zone Offroad and our Sierra 1500. You'll notice on the front of this truck, we started with a Fab Fours bumper, outfitted with Vision X lighting. We have a Royalty Core grille, also with Vision X lighting. This truck throws so much light down the road, it's insane. We've gone with the Zone 3.5-inch Adventure Series kit. It's a Fox strut, replacing the factory strut. Uses the factory coil. And then we have some 33-inch Delonte DX9 mud terrains on some 18x9 MKW off-road wheels, amp power steps, tinted windows, paint protection film from Lumar. This truck has a 2-inch rear block that comes with it, and also set up the rear with a Fab Fours bumper and Vision X lights as well. So on the bed, we threw a X-Stang Exceed. This is the newest cover from X-Stang, pretty awesome cover. We also set up MagnaFlow dual exhaust with custom powder coated black exhaust tips to match the bumper and a Gen Y recovery hook. We built this truck because it's a nice, usable height for everyday use. It increases wheel travel and gives you an amazing ride. Thanks for checking out our truck. You can follow us on Sawtooth_USA on Instagram, sawtoothusa.com. Also, don't forget to check out Zone Offroad on all social media platforms, as well as their website.